There's a warning hidden inside Nvidia's latest $30 billion move that most tech analysts are completely missing. Jensen Huang just signaled the end of an era for OpenAI. And if you think this is just about ChatGPT, you're looking in the wrong direction. For the next few minutes, I'm revealing the secret pivot happening right now, from digital brains to physical AI armies, and why Nvidia is officially calling it quits on their biggest partnership. Today, March 5th, 2026, the bombshell dropped. Nvidia announced their $30 billion stake in OpenAI will be their last. Why? Because the window is closing. With OpenAI's IPO on the horizon, the infrastructure phase of AI is over. But here's the twist. While everyone is focused on software, the real money is moving to Germany. Neuro Robotics just secured a massive €1 billion round to build what they're recalling an AI humanoid army. We aren't just talking about robots that fold laundry. We're talking about massive-scale industrial autonomy that doesn't need a human supervisor. Imagine a world where the chip shortage is replaced by a labor surplus powered entirely by silicon. This is the physical AI era. Nvidia isn't exiting OpenAI because they're losing faith. They're exiting because they've already won the software war. Now, they're positioning to be the godfather of the robotics revolution. Look at Pascal, they just hit a $2 billion SPAC debut. The infrastructure is shifting from the cloud to the ground. You're seeing the birth of a new economy where the workers are owned by shareholders. If you aren't tracking the transition from LMs to LMs large motion models, you're going to be left behind in the 2024 mindset. The secret is that the AI bubble isn't popping. It's just hardening into something we can finally touch. If you want to stay ahead of the curve as these humanoid armies go online, you need to be here every day. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm tracking every billion-dollar move in real time, so you don't have to. What do you think, is Nvidia's exit a sign of a market peak, or just the beginning of the robot wars? Drop a comment below, I'm reading them all.